John Vincent Hamander, 17, sponsored by SACDEO, representing the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand of the Senior High School Department. Thank you.
Rose Adelaide Gonzalez, 18, sponsored by SACDEO, representing the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand from the Senior High School Department. Thank you.
Prince Ivan Mambala, 16, sponsored by Mary Chris, representing from the Junior High School Department.
Elvina Rodriguez, 13, sponsored by Mary Chris, representing from the Junior High School Department.
Sponsored by MBC Teaching Services, representing the Junior High School Department, main campus. Thank you.
Kenneth Angel Capane, 14, sponsored by Jabber Saman from the Junior High School Department, main campus.
Christian Boy Lavicio, 18, sponsored by Backyard Cafe, representing Humanities and Social Sciences from the Senior High School Department.
Pineda Sulaño, 17, sponsored by Backyard Cafe, representing the Humanities and Social Sciences strand from the Senior High School Department. Thank you.
Esteban Belmonte, 48, sponsored by Front Row, representing the Junior High School Department.
Mikhaila Pimentel Paz, 13, sponsored by Ian Grayson, representing the Junior High School Department.
Jackie Luigi Ragasa, 70, sponsored by Silent Cyber Work, representing Accountancy, Business, and Management. Thank you.
Chamberlain Oriano, 17, sponsored by Silent Cycle Parks, representing Accountancy, Business, and Management brand.
Ate Aguilar, 16, sponsored by Attorney Cortez, Reform. Representing the General Academic Strand from the Senior High School Department. Thank you.
Alia Angela Casoy, 17, sponsored by Attorney Cortez Law Firm Office, representing the General Academic Strand of the Senior High School Department. Thank you!
Adam Romeo 16, sponsored by Al Hyatt Black Bay Resort from the Junior High School Department.
Party Kusalan 15, sponsored by Al Hyatt Black Bay Beach Resort, representing the Junior High School Department.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's be your hosts, Mr. Cindy Luther Bueno and Miss Angela Ladmay Jacinto.
Hello, a powerful and beautiful afternoon to all of you PFMAians! Well, I hope everyone has their sanity composed back to their body because as I witnessed earlier, everyone has been dropping their energies to support their favorite candidates.
Yes, the energy of audience brought more life, which makes me truly feel the celebration inside our school partner.
I'm so nervous. Yes, partner, because now we are finally featuring you the most anticipated and the most beautiful part of our celebration. And this is the search for Mr. and Miss PRPMA 2023.
I am so excited of our candidates put forward show and reveal as the program advances. I am looking forward on their ranks to the different categories and how they will carry their attire.
Yes, partner, that's truly exciting. Well, having the fact that we personally know them, di ba? Kilalang-kilala natin yung mga candidates ngayon. They are our students, and of course, our audience. They are their friends, their classmates, at syempre, hindi lang mga estudyante yung ating mga audience ngayon. They have their parents, their guardians here, di ba? So, dearly,
Shout out kay baby.
pageant.
Search for Miss PRPMA.
Shout out
Yes,
Miss
we have reached the milestone with the Diamond Jubilee. And of course, with the celebration of the Diamond Jubilee, hindi matatanggal yung ating pageant to expose yung beauty and handsome students ng PRPMA. Well, for the information of everyone in here, kasama na natin ngayon yung ating reigning king and queen.
Yes, makikita natin sila. Tawagin na ba natin sila, partner?
Yes, of course. Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, our reigning king and queen, our PRPMA Diamond. We have Miss Kathleen Gerald Liwag and Mr.
William Sanos.
Pastor.
A round of applause, please.
Wow.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our king and queen. PRPMA
PRPMA